Tell me about yourself.
Good day. I am Ricky P. Cayetano, an undergraduate student pursuing a degree in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management at Jeremy Show Dipolog Campus. I have no experience in this kind of field, but I can assure that my skills will help me to do my work activities well. I'm excited about the opportunity to apply and to contribute to your company.
Why do you want to work in this company?
I am impressed with your company's dedication to employees' development and growth. I know that this company will help me to widen my knowledge about this field. I've also heard that this company has positive feedback from current former employees, highlighting highlighting its supportive environment.
What interests you about this position?
I am interested this position because it suits my skills and interest in life. That's why I grabbed this opportunity to apply because the position's responsibilities align with my desired career path.
Why should we hire you?
My passion for innovation, teamwork, and result-driven approach aligns perfectly with your company's visions. Thought I didn't have any experience in line with this field. I'm I'm confident in in my ability to drive success. Although I am new to the industry, my eagerness to learn strong work ethic and transferable skills from my school make me an ideal candidate. I'm excited to grow with her in your company.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I envision myself in a leadership role, spearheading projects and mentoring team members to drive organizational growth. I plan I plan to expand my skill set, taking on additional responsibilities and contributing to your company's expansion. I also see myself as a successful person and working in a prestigious company.